So I've had the signal, it's not onto the signal, but the thing there said, it says Bluetooth, I think it says Bluetooth something connected, battery pack or whatever it's called, backup, blah, 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 blah. And then importantly it says UHD mode, so that should be stereo. So this is the Schubert, the SC10, the kind of integrated thing that you get, and with the GoPro, I think it's like from 5 downwards, the back microphone, the Bluetooth microphone basically, for GoPros. So I'm seeing if this works. I'll just give it every chance to do what it can do by bringing the visor down.
So here's a weird thing. So when I got home, it's actually quite good. Wasn't bad at all. So I thought probably need to go out and try this again before I chuck it away and move back to the drift. Who'd have thunk it?
Weirdly, I'd written it off. I'd written the GoPro thing off because it was, I don't know, not sure whether I had a problem with it in the past, but I'd kind of written it off. But now it's, when I played it back, it was really good. In fact, it was quite clear that although there were a couple of, sounded like there's some interference on it or something, so I'll have to look at that. I've just, I've updated the firmware on it, but yeah, I was so ready for it to be crap that I got my my drift camera out, because when I used to have that on my old helmet, I had a wired microphone, and that was really good sound quality. But yeah, it's I don't know, I'm giving it another go, see what it's like on a slightly longer run, because before I just kind of, I went to the shop near my house and I thought I'll just put it on the way home and that'll be it. I'll prove that it's rubbish, but actually what it proved was it's really good sound quality, but I just have to make sure that, you know, it's the interference I'm getting is from the unit, so I might have to I don't know, call my wife on the phone and ask her if it sounds okay. The only annoying thing with it is I don't think I could have my phone connected at the same time as the camera, so I can't have music on, and I'd probably rather have music on than talk.
So weird thing happened when I got back. I'm going to play a short clip now that shows at like halfway through this clip the noise just goes off the scale, because I could see the noise in my editing footage, and apparently I've got it set wrong. So listen to this first. I didn't touch this, no settings or anything like that, but let's listen to what the recording's like. So I read the instructions, probably should have done that first. The mic button there that's on, that's not actually what I should have had on, because the mic button there is for the external mic that should have been picking up the background noise, not the noise from the Bluetooth, not from my headset. So I've got to try this again with that off to see if I don't get the interference. Yeah, but it's going to be a nice weekend, so there's an excuse.